So here we have this compressor. It's for a 2012 Toyota Vitz, and the customer was complaining that he recently installed the compressor bearing, but the compressor pulley was still noisy. So this is the bearing. I've already inspected it and it's all fine, it's not wobbling. What I realized is that this pulley here, it was rubbing against this conductor for the magnetic clutch, this one here. So if you look at it carefully, you can see traces of the pulley brushing against it. So the fix for this is pretty simple. It's not that hard. Instead of fixing another new bearing like the customer was suggesting, we'll just fix this bearing, and we'll do a little bit of modification on this pulley right here to make sure that it never gets into contact with this this pulley, as long as it is rotating and it is engaged. So now I'm going to fix this this conductor plate. You can see the traces of fresh marks. This indicates how this pulley was rubbing against this conductor plate, and it was happening when the AC was not engaged. So it was very noisy while the engine was idling or running and the AC was not engaged. So I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to put this washer inside this boss. Fix it on the compressor. Okay. Then I'm going to tighten it here. This 10mm bolt. Okay, so you can hear it making that whirring sound. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this shim right here. It's a 0.25mm shim. This one, it won't move the belt that much. So here's my factory washer that came with this compressor. So if I do a comparison, this is the comparison between the shims and the washer. This is the comparison between the shims and the washer. The shim is about 0.25mm because this washer is a millimeter. So I'm going to place the shim first of all on this shaft like that, and then I on top of it I put this washer, and then I fix my conductor plate. So there you go. That noise has dramatically reduced. Now you don't hear it anymore. Okay guys, that's how you fix that noise. Most of the times it's not the bearing, it is the positioning of this conductor plate.